Pimpri-Chinchwad Smart City Limited is committed to every student and thus introduces AI-based educational data analytics technology to enhance student engagement. These help teachers monitor student emotions, activity, and overall assist teachers in maintaining a healthy and happy classroom. All this data is compiled in an easy-to-use online monitoring tool. Data like the attendance with timestamp of entry and exit, duration of the presence inside the classroom for students, and attention of the student in classroom would help the teacher to effectively look after each student. Features like student mood and emotional analysis help directly proportionate to the productivity and effectiveness. The system recognizes the mood and other emotional states of the students inside the classroom, as well as behavior analysis such as running, danger positions, fight or fall. The teacher efficiency will also increase by analytics such as time spent engaging with students, time spent inside class premises, time spent idle on phone, sitting, chatting with other staff, etc. Attendance for teachers and regularity to class, punishment and harassment analytics. Along with this, the PCMC uses building as learning aid and enhances the environment of the school through paintings, boards, installations, illustrating concepts from the curriculum so that the children can subconsciously imbibe inputs from their surroundings and are constantly receptive to multiple sensory perceptions.
आणि माझी मुलगी दुसऱ्या शाळेत न टाकता मी ह्या शाळेमध्ये टाकलेले, कारण स्मार्ट सिटी पासून त्यांच्यामध्ये खूप काही बदल झालेला आहे.
पिंपरी-चिंचवड स्मार्ट सिटी अंतर्गत जे उपक्रम राबवले, जे प्रोजेक्ट आले, त्याचा इतका उपयोग झाला की त्या टीव्हीच्या माध्यमातून, कॉम्प्युटर लॅबच्या माध्यमातून, सायन्सच्या लॅबच्या माध्यमातून मुलं इतके इंटरेस्टेड झाले की पटसंख्या पण वाढली, मुलं आनंदाने शिकायला लागली आणि मुलांमध्ये एवढा एनर्जीचा हे वाढलं की ती स्वतःहून मुलं त्या क्लासमध्ये जातात, शिकतात, एकदम परफेक्ट मुलं त्याच्यामध्ये भाग घ्यायला लागली.
A well-equipped STEM lab will provide young minds strong foundational concepts and a hands-on approach to learn innovation skills.